Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to remove Quick Add in Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to remove Quick Add in Snapchat allows you to control your privacy and interactions on the platform. And by disabling Quick Add, it can prevent Snapchat from suggesting new friends based on mutual connections or contacts, giving you more control over who can add you on the platform. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so now you have to enter to your profile page and then select settings option. Well, after that, scroll down please until you find see me in Quick Add option and then tap on it. Okay, so now you can uncheck this list. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Quick Add in Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.